We're going to experience an earthquake at the earthquake house.
Oh, what did you do?
They encased my pizza. What are you clicking the button over and over again for? You trying to kill us?
Well, hello friends.
Hi.
Welcome back to Peaceful Painting, where we quietly paint pictures to enjoy a sense
What's up, Bob
of
Ross?
calm and serenity. I find that peace and quiet helps me to create scenes of nature's masterpieces, frozen in time. So, let's get back to it, shall we? Let's add some ridges to these stoic little mountains. Yes, we'll use just a tiny touch of blue and a tiny touch of green. And we'll add some ridges here. What was that? A truck? Well, let's just get back to it. So, where were we? Oh, right. I'll carefully dip my paint here. And I'll gently
was an earthquake. A rather powerful one, actually. Earthquakes are vibrations in the Earth's crust that cause shaking at the surface. They are highly unpredictable and often occur suddenly without warning. Some earthquakes are small, so small that we barely notice. And some earthquakes are stronger and can be a lot more noticeable, Earthquakes are common events on the Earth, with thousands of them occurring every year all over the globe. Most are too small to be felt on the surface, but many are strong enough to shake the ground and cause intense vibrations. Earthquakes usually occur on the edges of the Earth's crust called tectonic plates. These plates are always in motion, slowly over long periods of time. The edges are called fault lines. Sometimes these edges get stuck, but the plates keep moving. So pressure starts to build up, and once the pressure gets strong enough, the plates will suddenly move, causing an earthquake. Waves that travel to the ground are called seismic waves. The waves travel to the surface. This is when the ground shakes and destruction happens. An aftershock is one or more small earthquakes after the main one has passed. This is because of the Earth's crust settling and adjusting to the effect of the main earthquake. The place where an earthquake starts deep underground is called the hypocenter. The epicenter of an earthquake is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the hypocenter. Oklahoma gets the occasional earthquake, more than you might think in fact. The good news is that these are often not strong enough to feel or cause damage. If you feel an unexpected
Can I get some paint thinner? So, friends, please join us next time on Peaceful Painting.
What? Not know.
What is this?